Hi, I'm Paul. Welcome to the channel, where over the next several months we'll be converting this box truck into a luxury motorhome affectionately called Oxbox. If you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe. We'll start at the front. So I've cut that out quite a bit in the front to give us lots of headroom when we're walking in from the motorhome into the cab. I think I'm going to put some type of white covering over here after we spray, but that gives us lots of room. Up top I built a frame here for to put uppers, and all of the electrical has been taped down, whether it's 12 volt or 120 volt wiring. It's been taped down so that it doesn't lift when we put the spray foam up. I still have to tape the windows off. This room in here is accessed by this way. This is the shower. There's a vent up there, light. All the switches are on the wall. That brace across the back is to use some center support for the ladder. This box that you see, that's been framed out, that's accessible only from the outside door, and that's where all the electrical is going to be in. So it's about 36 inches wide, 12 inches deep, and the full 7 feet high. This is the toilet area, so there's a fan down there above the toilet. The reason I didn't put the fan up high is because I'm putting an upper. That right there is the vent for the black water tank. That'll all eventually tie in down there. You see down there, that's the 50 amp shore power that is coming up through here and into our electrical panel. On this side, we've wired all the wires that go to the front, which is in the kitchen area. And these two wires down here are 12 volt lights that'll come out of the Murphy bed that are up top there. The reason all the beams are all taped off is it was suggested I do that so when we spray and any overspray, we can just peel that tape off, making it much easier. This big wire here that's tied off is for 12 volt on the side of the cabinet, as well as 120 volt. There's an electrical box here. This is to hardwire the fantastic fan up there, as well as some 12 volt, as well as 120 volt. 120 volt up there for the microwave, which will be in an upper cabinet. So if you can picture upper cabinets all the way along, then Murphy bed with a sofa built in, then a 18-inch cabinet before the bathroom. This will be a sliding door. That'll be able to close so that you can have the toilet on this side, the shower on this side, and on this wall you see blocking up there, that's what I'm going to put the mini split. I've got a 9000 BTU mini split that's going up there, and then this whole wall will be a large mirror so that it will give the illusion that it's much larger in here than what it is. Here we've got an electrical plug for the outside, another plug, another 120 plug there, which is for a desk and a TV that's built in. And I think that's pretty well it. And then on this side, this is where the fridge is going to go. That's what these two big wires are. There's 120 and 12 volt. We're going to run dual power on there. This wire up here is a pigtail so that we can run an awning, a 12 volt awning, out the above the door. And down here we've got some other switches and whatever. On this side of the door, there'll be the switch for up there is the outside light. There'll also be the switch for the interior lights on the ceiling, as well as up here we're going to have the thermostat, a hardwired thermostat for the mini split. We'll have a remote, but I feel more confident with hardwiring something. That way we know it's always going to work. As well as said that, the switch for the light. And I think that's pretty well it. So next time you see this, it'll be all sprayed out and make it much more soundproof and less, that's moisture you're seeing on the ceiling because it's quite cool out today, warmer in here. That'll eliminate all that sweating and everything else.